My name's Ross and today we're going to be installing these wheels on this Audi R8.
Okay, let's go.
So first things first, I'll need to try and get these centre caps off. It's a centre cap removing tool, obviously. Perfect. Probably best to try and loosen the nuts a wee bit first. It's too big. That's it, 17mm. There we go. Make sure I'll do the back as well, because I think when you jack it up, it jacks up the whole side. I don't think it's front and back, I think it's the whole side of the car comes up. We don't know, but we'll find out. So, somebody told me that there is pretty much only one way to jack up an Audi R8, and if you do it wrong, it cracks the windscreen. So, I don't want to do that. Should we go for it? Should we Google it? Let's look for this. See if we want one of these. Good old Google. Let's go for it. Don't hear any cracking yet. Let's do it. I'm sure years ago there used to be arrows on tyres to tell you what side it should go on. Like, if there's an arrow going that way, it would tell me that it's the right side. But there doesn't seem to be anything. Let's just get them on. Spaghetti rings. I knew that. I didn't plug it like that. I just knew. I knew that. I like that, I think that looks cool. I wondered if I maybe needed to get spacers for the back. But I think that's alright. That sits nice. Quick comparison to the other side. I mean, the standard wheels are still nice. I like them, but they're expensive. So if anything happens to them, we may as well throw in a cold start. So the wheels are installed and the car doesn't move at all. I think the bolts are too long. So thanks wheelbase. I'm going to need to jack the car up, see if the wheel will turn with the handbrake off, and then loosen the bolts and see if it turns. That's disappointing. So the move, up moves, wheel moves, and bolts are loose. And then you put the bolt in tight, even just one, and it's solid. So the bolts are too long. Thank you again, wheelbase.